Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with Lautie and ACEdc collaboration haptic coin right over here with me. For a review, we're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this bad boy, but hey, don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of thing. So let's go ahead and check it out. So you're gonna find, of course, the classic Lautie package with some stickers, a spare set of ball bearings, and a nice little envelope to keep this stuff. And of course, you're gonna, this is, by the way, the new box, stay cool and be different. This is the new packaging, which I pretty like. And this is the toy you want to check out. So this is the Zirc version. There's steel, copper, cupro, titanium. There's various materials employed, but I'm a sucker for Zirc, and this is the Zircon brass edition. There are 600 of these made, so they are all numbered internally right there. This is number 70, for example, of 600, and it's the zirconium, and it says S, but actually this is B, so probably brass. I don't know why Zirc S, but anyways, this is the haptic coin collaboration between Lautie and ACEdc, two of the biggest makers for toys, and it's a haptic coin. So of course you get the classic 6 magnets per side, the roller bearings on the side, and also you get like a central pin to hold this thing together. Very, very well made. Check out this skull. I mean, impressive milling going on this one. I like the concave aspect of this one. Let's quickly check the size. Diameter on this one is going to be 1.33 inches. Thickness is going to be 0.34. So for example, this is the also Lautie and I believe this is the EDC House collaboration with Ambury, I believe, and here's like another Ambury for size reference. What else can I show you? Black mirror design. That's the telephone dial. That's the small Ambury coin, which is the same size of the Lautie and ACEdc collaboration. This is the Helios Ratchet KTS. Another pretty amazing one from Lautie is the Mini Dealer, also in Zirc. I love this piece. And what else? Let me show you this one. This is the Tim Luger haptic. It's a little bit smaller than that, but still pretty cool. Anyways, this is the Lautie and ACEdc collaboration, brass and Zirc. Haptic coin, nice and small, pretty smooth milling. There's some nice texture, so it's not that slippery. Sound is quiet. It's not that loud. It's pleasant. In the hand is smaller, so that everyone can just toss this guy in the pocket. I believe the price on this one it was like $150, maybe $200, something in that range. So not properly cheap, but if it's $150, I can't remember, guys. Let me know in the comments if I'm mistaken on anything, because I make some mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes, but and sometimes I forget things. So let me know in the comments down below how much this was selling for. I believe $150, but anyways, it's a pretty cool one. Love the skull, love the design. The feel is pretty good. Of course, you can go stealth and quiet, so it's gonna be up to you. And I mean, overall, this is a pretty cool one, and I had to have it in my collection, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.